How to find notification settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notification settings on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and now just click these three lines here and go down until you find this one, settings and privacy, and then click settings, and now just go down until you find here this one, notifications. And as you see here, you can manage notifications settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. That's how to find notification settings on Facebook mobile. And please, if you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe and watch this video if you want, and see you in the next video.